do wheel spacers affect drive? One of the main benefits of wheel spacers is improving handling of the vehicle. When car turns, the wheel spacers reduce roll due to the off-center of gravity and make the car more stable by widening the left and right wheel spacing. This improves the overall handling, grip and cornering performance of the vehicle. We recommend the use of half-century spacers or half-century rings. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. If you have any questions, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.